Hello everyone, welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial video. Today I will show you how to download ChatGPT on iPhone. So actually this is a very simple tutorial, and if you want to download ChatGPT on iPhone, you will need to use another app that is called Perplexity AI. Now basically, as you can see, it's available for iPhone. If you go to the to the store, right? You will be able to download it on the App Store. So just go to the App Store and you will be able to go and download this app. As you can see, this app is basically based on the same algorithm that ChatGPT has. So it's pretty much the same. It also has voice messaging and text or voice to text, right? So you can actually ask with your voice. You can ask for a follow-up, yeah, right? You can ask anything. You can check the resources, stuff like that. This is the best rated app, and it is the similar app to ChatGPT. It's not really the same as ChatGPT, but it's very, very similar, right? And you know how it works and how it does the prompts and stuff like that. It's really, really good. And yeah, this is pretty much the app that you want to use if you want ChatGPT on your iPhone. Again, obviously, if you have any questions, you can also use Perplexity AI by just visiting perplexity.ai on your computer. But other than that, that's pretty much how to use and download ChatGPT on your iPhone or ChatGPT based app on your iPhone. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.